Hey, what's going on, everyone out there? My name is Jalal Lewis. I am owner of Rolling Shades Painting LLC company. And today I just want to share some key tips on how to establish yourself as an expert. There's four things that I want to speak on, and this is general. This can work for any profession, I would say. For my profession, specifically a painter or any other contract work, when you're going in front of prospects, you want to use these four tips to differentiate yourself from the competition. So let's get started off with this list. Number one, confidence. Confidence is everything. People can smell the confidence on you. People always like someone that's more confident in what they're speaking on. If you have a shaky individual, you're less likely to be trusted. So confidence is very, very, very important. That's something that you can build through other practices, but confidence is very key. Number two is your wisdom establishes you it also can establish you as an expert. When I say wisdom, speaking on your past experiences, if there's a project that is similar on what you're in front of at that time, share, what happened at that project, share your knowledge on some things that you've been through and how it came out. If you have pictures, that is a great time to show pictures. And share some of the things you went through, share the failures you went through on that project, if any, and share the success you went through on that project. So just share the wisdom and the past projects that you've been on, similar to what you're in front of at that time. Number three is your appearance. Appearance is very important. You never want to show up. Doctors don't show up to work in jogging suits. They show up in scrubs. So you always want to look the part. I'm a painter, so I'm going to be in my whites. I'm going to have my key tools always in my pocket. I'm definitely going to, just look the part that I'm going to play. So, and I know we all know the phrase, I'm not sure if you heard it, but if you look good, you play good. So always keep that professional appearance, and that helps you, become more of an expert in your field. Number four, and the last one, be memorable. Always do something that the prospect or client or whoever's in front of you, that they can remember you by. Not anything crazy, people, but just, break the ice somehow, compliments. If you're in these people's home, see something around their home that you can relate to with them. It's always something you can find and kind of, jump into that a little bit. It kind of breaks the ice. It gets them more comfortable with you. It shows your customer service. It shows you have some tact, a word me and my other partner like to use. But yeah, just always, try to find conversation with the individual to show, that they can trust you, that you're very comfortable to be around. So these are some four key things to establish in your process to become more of an expert. I'm gonna go through them one more time. One is confidence, very important. Wisdom, those past projects that you've been on. Three, your appearance, always look the part and play the part. And four, be memorable. You want to break that ice and get in front of them. So this is just quick little tips just to help you guys out there. Thanks. Have a good one. And stay on the lookout for me and the more videos coming out. Rolling Shades, follow me, subscribe to this list. Bunch of helpful tips, to get us, to push us painters forward and other contractors and things like that.